Here's a fun heartfelt country style song dedicated to Big Earl Talley, the snowplow hero of Warren County, Kentucky during the great snowstorm of 2026. Down in Warren County where the Bears and the river flows, the sky turned heavy white and the north wind really blows. Folks were battling drifts 10 feet high or more. Power lines are dropping, couldn't open up the store. But there's one man who never hit the brakes, Big Earl Talley, wide awake, sipping sweet tea from a thermos jug. He fired up that plow when the storm got ugly. Big Earl Talley, king of the snow, pushing through the drifts where the cold winds blow in his big old rig with a flashing light, keeping roads open all through the night. Sweet tea in the cup, faith in his soul. Big Earl's out there making us whole from Bowling Green to the county line. He cleared the way so we'd be just fine. He's got a Buick Christmas wagon parked out in the drive. Shiny red and green keeps the family vibe alive. But when the flakes start falling and the temp drops low, Earl trades that wagon for the plow he knows. Buick man at heart loves that classic ride, but nothing clears a highway like Earl's snowplow pride. He's singing old hymns to the rhythm of the blade, cut through the great storm of 2026 parade. Earl Talley, king of the snow, pushing through the drifts where the cold winds blow in his big old rig with a flashing light, keeping roads open all through the night. Sweet tea in the cup, faith in his soul. Big Earl's out there making us whole from Smith's Grove to the county line. He cleared the way so we'd be just fine. Ambulances rolling, first responders call. Earl made a pass so they could save us all. Kids got to their grannies, doctors made their rounds, 'cause Big Earl kept those back roads safe and sound. He don't want no medal, don't need no parade, just a full tank of diesel and some sweet tea lemonade. Big Earl Talley, hero of the free, saved Warren County, brought us to our knees, and thanks and wonder at the man who'd fight to keep our little corner of Kentucky bright. Sweet tea forever, Buick in the yard, Christmas wagon gleaming, playing every card. Big Earl Talley, we're singing your name through the great snowstorm. You won the game. Yeah, when the sun came out on Monday morning, roads were clear and the world kept turning. Thanks to Big Earl and his plow so true, Warren County's safe and we owe it to you. Hope that captures the spirit. Earl sounds like a legend worth celebrating shins.